Hello, in this video I will tell you the 7 ways to use Vlookup. As we all know, the Vlookup is one of the most used formula. I have database, wherein I have mentioned the student name and their subject that they studies and their respective marks. First, normal Vlookup. Second, Vlookup from different sheet. Here we have data in different sheet. Third, Vlookup from different workbook. Fourth, copy Vlookup formula. Fifth, Vlookup multiple values at once. Sixth, Vlookup smallest value. Seventh, Vlookup largest value. Okay, so let's start with normal Vlookup. How does Vlookup work? Let's see. We start with the normal Vlookup. So here we have student name, so we want to get English marks here. We put formula Vlookup. Lookup value. Comma table array. Fix the formula. We will find value for English marks here. Comma 0. And press enter. We got the English mark of RAM with the help of Vlookup. Now we will use Vlookup to get data from different sheet. Here we want to get physics marks of RAM. Write Vlookup. Lookup value. Comma table array. Then we will go to this different sheet. Select the data. Comma column index number physics is on 5 number. Comma 0. Enter. And we got the physics marks here. Now we will use Vlookup to get data from different workbook. Write Vlookup. Lookup value. Comma table array. Then we will go to this different workbook. Select the data. Comma column index number English is on 3rd number. Comma 0. Enter. Now we will learn how to copy Vlookup formula. We will put the formula Vlookup. Lookup value. Now table array, and we will have to fix the formula by pressing F4 key. Index column and 0. Enter. Now we will copy and paste the formula here. And it's done, we got the marks by just copy paste. Now we will learn how to get Vlookup multiple value at once. Here we will get all the value at once just using single Vlookup formula. If we copy and paste value, it doesn't work. So here we have to use Vlookup. And fix the lookup value by pressing F4 key. And we have to fix table array, comma. And we will use formula columns. And open bracket and select the student name and English column and fix the student name only. Close bracket, comma 0. Enter. We will just copy and paste. And here we got the maths and physics marks. And if we want to get all the data at once, so we will have to make some changes in formula. Here we will just remove $1 after E and press enter. And now copy and paste at once. Now we got all the data at once. And now we will learn to get the smallest value using Vlookup. We will find value for English marks here. We put the formula Vlookup. We will use minimum and select the values. And comma. We have to use same values. And column number will be 1 then 0. Press enter. Here we got the smallest value 8. And now we will get largest value. We put Vlookup and use max formula. Select values, comma. We have to use same values. And column number will be 1 then 0. Press enter. We got the largest value. We have learned the 7 ways to use Vlookup. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.